we are doing a motor test. Got my 3650 Inrunner. It's 3400 kV. I know it looks a bit odd, but I've made this out of aluminium as a heatsink, like the ultimate sort of heatsink. 80 amp Hobbywing speed controller. Got it all plugged in. There's my scales. I put a brick on it just to weigh it down a bit more. So let's have a go. There we go. That's quite a lot of thrust there. That's a 6x5 prop I've got on there. I've got this shield just in case the prop explodes. Got 73 amps, 849 watts there. It's, can't wait to make a plane for that to go in. Ooh. So that should be pretty good.